The debts that you have are going to be broken down into two categories: dischargeable debts and non-dischargeable debts, as determined by the bankruptcy code. A third category would be your secured debts. So your non-dischargeable debts are going to be most of your taxes, debts to a government entity, any of your domestic obligations such as child support, spousal support, alimony, your things owed pursuant to your divorce judgment. Um, Other things that are popular would be student loans are no longer dischargeable in the vast majority of cases under the new laws from 2005. Your debts that are typically dischargeable, the most popular debt would be credit card debt, completely unsecured and it doesn't have any sort of priority. So those are going to be the first debts that will go, unless the credit card company can show some sort of misdoing on your part, some sort of bankruptcy fraud or intent to not repay the debt. For example, if in the month before you file bankruptcy you take a cruise, buy a piece of jewelry, something like that, take a cash advance, that credit card is going to probably scream bloody murder to the court and say that they should not be discharged because you purposefully incurred that debt intending not to repay it. The third category that I mentioned, the secured debts, that depends on what your intentions are. For example, your mortgage, it is secured by your home. If you choose to keep your home, which is an option you can elect in bankruptcy, you need to keep the mortgage that goes along with it. The same for your automobile. If you want to keep your automobile, then you're stuck with that loan. If you choose to surrender your automobile in the bankruptcy process, then the auto loan that went along with it will be discharged.